Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas that Litecoin needs to continue holding here on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And Litecoin has continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 14th of June at around the $70.19 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And you can see that after seeing the Litecoin halving event, we saw a bit of a bearish movement in a move that has now helped us fully maximize this red target area in the formation of that wave 2. And there are high chances that we now have a low in the formation of this wave 2 within this red target area. And this target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, where you can see that this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and it's a target area that lies between the $98.02 mark and the $80.06 mark. And as long as Litecoin continues to hold within this red target area, I'm still expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we now have a low in place for the second wave, I can give you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $152.63 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. We also need to have a breakdown move that we can expect here on the charts in case Litecoin loses this bullish area, that is the bullish support areas that I have here on the charts, because a break below this red target area will be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the charts. So as long as we continue holding within the red target area, I'm still expecting higher prices on the Litecoin chart. But a break below, that is to the lower side of this red target area, that will be suggesting lower prices, where we can maybe see Litecoin get maybe to the $70 mark, or maybe continue seeing even lower prices. So let's continue keeping our eyes on this red target area, which is the bullish support area that Litecoin needs to continue holding. And as long as we hold within it, we can expect higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And a break to the lower side of this red target area, then that will be suggesting lower prices to the next key areas of supports. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 30 mark, suggesting that we have managed to get into the oversold region here on the RSI, suggesting that we fully support higher prices here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.